Children, now see cooking and eating workbook part. It's exercise time. Take the correct answer. We have 4 sentences here. Let's see the first one. What do infants have in food? 3 options are given. A. Chow mein, B. Pizza, C. Milk. Infants are the children below 1.5 year or 1 year. What they will have, children? Yes, they will have milk. So I am keeping right mark for milk here. Second one, which one is cooked with steaming? Dokla, cake, puris. Which one is the right answer? Dokla. So I am keeping tick mark for dokla. Which fuel is used in a microwave oven? Children, you have ovens in your house now. Here, which fuel is used? Coal, cow dung cakes, electricity. Electricity is the right answer. So I am keeping right mark for C. Fourth one, cooking makes the food dash. Soft, tasty, both of these. Soft and tasty. So C is the right answer. So answers are C, A, C, C. Okay. Children, now see second bit. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. So fill in the blanks here. Words are given, children. Steaming, germs, roasted and vessels. Steaming, germs, roasted and vessels. With the help of these words, you can fill the blanks. First one, cooking kills the dash in the food. What is the, children? Germs. Cooking kills the germs in the food. So due to the heat, the germs will die. Second one, cooking with the help of steam is called steaming. What is this, children? Steaming. Cooking with the help of steam is called steaming. Third one, a variety of dash are used in the kitchen. Vessels. A variety of vessels are used in the kitchen. Fourth one, chicken and fish can also be dash roasted. What is the, children? Roasted. So once again see, cooking kills the germs in the food. Second one, cooking with the help of steam is called steaming. Third one, a variety of vessels are used in the kitchen. Fourth one, chicken and fish can also be roasted. Okay. So now see third bit. Match the following. This is column A and this is column B. We have column A and column B. So the vessels are here and the food items are here. Now you have to match that. So what is the first one? Yes, B. First one is B. Second one, that is we can prepare coffee or tea, children. That is filter, D. Third one is A, cooker. And that is pan, C. So what is the answer? B, D, A, C. So you are matching column A with column B. First one is okay, B. Second one is D. Third one is A. And fourth one is C. Okay. Chalo, now see fourth one. Answer the following questions. First question, why do we cook food? So what do we get if we cook the food? We cook food to make it soft. So we know that when we cook the food, it will make the food soft, tasty and easy to chew and digest. So 4 things: soft, tasty, easy to chew and digest. Cooking also makes some food last longer. That means it can retain for so much time and kill the germs in the food. That means the microorganisms or disease causing organisms can be killed. So first answer is, we cook food to make it soft, tasty and easy to chew and digest. Cooking also makes some food last longer and kill the germs in the food. Second question, what are the different ways of cooking? So we know that there are different ways. The different ways of cooking are boiling with water, baking without oil, steaming with the help of steam, roasting on direct heat, grilling with the help of grillers and frying with the help of oil. So once again you see the different ways of cooking are boiling, baking, steaming, roasting, grilling and frying. Third question, name the different kinds of cooking vessels. So we know that we have different vessels in our kitchen. Now let us see. The different kinds of vessels are frying pan, wok, pot, pressure cooker, etc. Okay. Children, now see fourth question. Name the food items that can be eaten raw. We know that some food items can be eaten raw, some food items need to be cooked. So what are the food items that can be eaten raw? Food items like cucumber, kira, radish, carrot and all fruits can be eaten raw. The fruits like pineapple, apple, grapes, these are need not to be cooked, no children. So food items like cucumber, radish, carrot and all fruits can be eaten raw. Fifth question. Name some foods that are eaten only after cooking. Vegetables like lady's finger, potato, brinjal and rice, pulses and meat need to be cooked. Vegetables like lady's finger, potato, brinjal and rice, pulses and meat need to be cooked. So with cooking only we can eat that. After cooking only. Sixth question. What are the benefits of eating together in a family? Eating together gives the sense of togetherness. Okay. Sense of togetherness in a family. Okay. Children, now see the HOTS higher order thinking skills question. Why baked and roasted food is healthier than fried food? Why baked and roasted food is healthier than fried food? Baked and roasted food is healthier than fried food because baking and roasting requires little or no oil. So if you do baking or roasting, children, oil is required in less quantity or oil is not required at all. Fried food means cooking completely in oil. So that is the reason we should avoid fried foods. And the food absorbs the oil, which causes heart diseases, obesity and diabetes. If we will eat the fried food, the food absorbs the oil and it leads to cardiovascular heart diseases. Obesity means becoming more fat and diabetes is a sugar disease. That is the reason we should avoid fried foods. Next one is value-based questions. In some villages, people burn wood and cow dung as a fuel. So in some villages, people burn wood and cow dung as a fuel, whereas other villages have biogas plant. Plant is nothing but an industry type. And this gas is being used to prepare food. So the biogas is used to prepare food. Which one is environmental friendly village? So two villages are there. One of the villages is using wood and cow dung as a fuel, whereas the other one is having biogas plant. Villages where biogas is used to prepare food is environmental friendly because biogas doesn't leave ash after burning. So biogas doesn't leave ash after burning, whereas wood leave ash. So which one is the environmental friendly, eco-friendly? Biogas plant. The villages where biogas is used to prepare food is environmental friendly. Environmental friendly village because biogas doesn't leave ash after burning. Okay. Children, now see the home assignment or project. Make a chart of the uses of tawa, pressure cooker and kadai. So you have to make a chart and write the uses of tawa, pressure cooker and kadai. These are the vessels that are used to cook different food items. Okay. So this is the end of the lesson number 12, cooking and eating. Thank you, children.